Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to Art of Trading. I'm Kumar here. So today we will be analyzing the key levels for Nifty and the prediction for the coming week. So this is the 1 hour chart of Nifty. As you can see here clearly, the Nifty is trading in some kind of a triangular wedge pattern. So as you can see, already have marked all the key levels and possible breakouts and breakdowns for Nifty. So as here you can see in the screen, I have written here all the key levels. I will explain you one by one. So Nifty right now it is trading near to 15,455 price. So that is Monday the next weeks. If let's say this is the crucial level for Nifty, 15,455. If let's say tomorrow there is a breakup, or if Nifty starts trading above 15,455, and if it sustains, please keep this word in your mind. If Nifty sustains, above sustains means it has to form few candles, at least 1 or 2 day candles. It has to sustain on this level, because once the breakout, you can't just predict that it may all the way go on the buy side. So it may get reversed. There may be some false breakout also, fake breakouts also. So to avoid that, it is better to judge, wait, let Nifty sustain above this level 15,455. That is the only buying option for Nifty, that is 15,455. Okay, so that was on the buy side, and now let's analyze on the sell side. So let's say this triangular wedge pattern, if it breaks around 15,400, you can have a risky trade, a sell trade, for the target up to 15,300 and 15,250. Okay, because this is the 15, the range between 15,300 and 15,250 to 15,300. It's a support point for Nifty, because that's the point where the Nifty has broken out, and maybe it may take the support over there, and it may bounce from there. So that is the one chance on the buy side. On the sell side, short sell would be, once this wedge is broken, you can sell Nifty around this point, that is 15,400, below 15,400, for a target of up to 15,300 and 15,250. Okay, so that's it. You should exit the trade over there, the sell trade. So once again, you have a re-entry for sell if Nifty bounce backs from there and retest this level, that is 15,455, which is the crucial level for Nifty to decide whether the Nifty would go on the buy side or the sell side. So on that level, you can take a short call at 15,455. So how do you take a short call on that front? Just simply going and touching the trend line, that doesn't mean that it's a sell. No, there are few confirmations, price action confirmations, volume. So all this combination you have to see. You have to see the patterns over there, the bearish patterns with volume and all. So all this analysis, and if you get any such confirmation, then only you have to enter at this retest. So if you catch this retest, then there is a very good opportunity that Nifty will come again back to 15,250 from 15,450. That is around 200 points from there. And again, if this level breaks 15,250, then Nifty is all the way will go down to 1,500, and 14,800 is the final target for Nifty. So this is the analysis for Nifty for the coming week. So be careful on the buy breakout and the sell breakout sides. So one has to learn price action trading, then only one can decide whether the breakout is true or false, whether it is a fake breakout or not, or else you will not come to know, and you will be end up in the trap, and all your money will be washed out. Okay, so be careful. So to learn those confirmations on the breakout side, whether which way it will break, so what are the confirmations, so all those things you can learn. You can join my paid online classes which I conduct every weekends. Okay, so you can join that. For all the information regarding that, I'll be giving in my description. You can just check that. Okay, so you can follow me on my Telegram channel. It's a free channel where I have been giving calls from past 3 years now. So all the strategy, as you can see here, is my Telegram channel. All the strategies uh, uh, which comes to my mind, I just share in this, and few calls also are good, free calls I will be giving here. So you can join this my channel, and you can subscribe my YouTube channel also. Okay, so and I would leave my WhatsApp number so that you can who are all interested, they can join my classes, they can contact me or WhatsApp me. Okay, thank you guys, have a good day, and wait for more such videos and calls in the future. Okay, thank you, bye.